Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to change name of your Samsung Galaxy A30 Android phone.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
Your device has a name that is visible when you connect to other devices via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi networks. The default name of your device will normally be the name of your model, for example Galaxy A30. If you want to change the name, first go to Settings. Scroll down and find the option About Phone. Tap on it. This screen displays the details on the status and settings of your phone, including its name. Now tap on the Edit button below the phone name. Enter the new name for your phone in the text box. After that, tap on Done. That's it. Your phone name has been changed. That is how you can change name of your Samsung Galaxy A30 Android phone. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.